All right. Morning. Today is Monday, January 26th, 2026. And it is a beautiful day today. Yeah, where we're live streaming. I mean, look at the price action today. It is a very interesting day indeed. Um, Very interesting day indeed. Uh, there was a massive gap down here. If you look at the daily chart, start from the daily chart. There was a massive gap down, almost 50 something points. In the SPX, it was almost 45 points gap down, and the gap down, this gap down uh, through the overnight, there was a sharp, very sharp rally, and the sharp rally, as you can see right now, it's only 9:49 a.m. Eastern time, and the gap here from the previous 2 weeks has now been closed. Essentially, that gap has now been closed. So this gap down here for yesterday was pretty much has to do with news, but this gap down is now filled up. So we can assume that the trend, the uptrend, is still in motion, at least for today. And we come down to the hourly chart. This is what we have on the hourly chart. We go to 15 minutes chart. This is what we have. I'm just gonna stay to the hourly chart for a second there. So what we see is it's quite a bullish trend, but this is this trend is a bullish trend, which is a good thing. But the question is, would I want to be buying this price action? And the answer for me is certainly no. I would not want to be buying this action. In fact, I want to be short on this. I want to be selling short here. The reason I want to be doing this, I want to be counter trading because to me this feels like it's way too fast. The price action has moved way too fast or way too quickly, and I really don't like that, right? So, um, normally, given this type of price action, I would want to be buying, but but this does not look good. Like this, this doesn't look like a good buying opportunity for me. This more or less looks like a good selling opportunity because, I mean, look at it. Just look at it. It is not looking like it's. It feels like there's so much upward, there's so much upside movement in such a little amount of time that buying this is just basically a trap. Uh, and the reason again is because of that. There's just so much upside movement in such short little time frame that buying this doesn't make any sense. The only thing that I can do here is selling this. But if I have to sell this, then I am gonna have to ask myself where would my stop be, or if I'm gonna have a stop. But if I should sell this short, honestly, then uh, trying to put a stop loss that might be too tight may not make any sense. Honestly, may not make any sense. In that regard, then selling this short, then I would be taking a long term trade, holding this like sort of a swing trade instead of being a day trade. Because if this was to be a day trade, then it would not make any sense to be selling. But to be buying, yeah, that would be what it is. But since I'm thinking about a long-term trend or maybe a swing trend, uh, I feel like I feel like I feel like selling this makes more sense in that regard. Also, there's coming up. There's quite a lot of economic news, notably with notably the U.S. The federal funds rate, the interest rate decision by the Federal Reserve or the U.S. Bank. So that's coming up on Wednesday, and on Thursday, unemployment claims. On Friday, core PPI, PPI month over month. So it's quite few things going on there. Again, I definitely want to be selling this short. I don't want to be buying anything here. Uh, well, if it was for day trading, then I would think of buying. But selling, I'm thinking of selling for the long term, uh, just for a swing trading type of trade, because uh, the price action so far is just way too aggressive. It has achieved a lot in such a little time frame. Of course, it could keep on going up. That is, that's a given. But this is just way too much movement in just such little time. This is quite a lot of movement in so little of time. So uh, to be precise, from Sunday 6 p.m. on Sunday to the current time, it's almost about 100 points. 100 points to the upside. That is quite a lot for just a single day price movement. So again, the reason for not going long or the reason for going short is that I want to see. I'm hoping to hold this for an intermediate level, so intermediate period, so for swing period. That is the goal for shorting this. If I was to day trade this, then I would be looking at longs, trying to go in on the longs. So I'm gonna go ahead and enter into a short here. I'm liking it. I'm really liking the short position here, but it's not my shorting this stock is planning to hold it. I could hold tonight for the rest of the night, and I may add more as time progresses. Though this is only a small account, so I'm gonna be adding relative size too. So yeah, this is quite unbelievable. 100 points, 100 points in just about a day. That is unbelievable. That is very unbelievable. 100 points in a day. It's hard to believe that, right? So yeah, I'm going to be going short here. I'm going to be going short, and I plan to hold this for maybe a day or two, because I think that there's going to be a strong reversal. That's what I'm hoping to see, and that's what I'm hoping to bank on. Instead of trying to go long, it's already too late to go long. I can't be going long here. Definitely cannot be going long. Uh, but because of the small account, I'm going to be going just a single contract, not a whole lot. If I get more convincing price history, I may add to my short. But for now, my thesis on this is absolutely a short. There's nothing. There's no going long on this trade. It has to be a short. So just being patient here, trying to see, trying to get more information. Really, yeah, this is unbelievable. This is crazy. There's no way you could have, there's no way you can tell that the price will gap down by 48 points and shoot up by almost 100 points to the upside. There's no way you could have seen that coming. But again, price gapping down was news, has to do with news, was news related, and when the market opened up on Sunday, it shot up like a rocket, and that is a phenomenal price action indeed. It's very phenomenal. So trying to go short. I'm gonna wait more. Just gonna wait more just to see. I want to see more price history developing here before I can actually go short. Yeah, this is beautiful. This is honestly beautiful. It's still going up. Yeah, it's lovely. It's lovely. I mean, if you were in this trade, if you cut this trade and held this trade, it is absolutely beautiful. It is beautiful. It is lovely. I love it. I just love seeing this type of price action. Yeah, I love it you know when everything is going your way and things are going the way they should be going. It's absolutely beautiful. All right, still waiting here. Definitely gonna be taking a short position here. And for now, because I just want to, I'm gonna keep the risk pretty tight. Just one contract. If I can see, if I can get more clarity on what's going on, then I can add more contracts. But for now, I'm just gonna put on one contract, with the understanding that I'm gonna be holding this for that I could be holding this for at least a day, for a day or so, and I could be holding this position as a swing position. That is, I have that understanding, but also hoping to close it today, if I get a good decent profit, for the contract size. All right. Okay. So beautiful. I'm gonna be adding a short position now. I just feel like I've seen what I needed to see. Um, yeah, I'm gonna be adding. I'm gonna add one contract here, and I'm simply gonna hold this. This to me now is more like it's not a day trading position, but more or less a swing position, because I could hold this for a day or two. Uh, Given that I have to let the position kind of breathe a little bit. But if it goes quickly to my target, which target would be somewhere down here on this low here, if it gets down this low, I'm gonna take profit. Now there's a possibility that it could still keep on going high, and if that's the case, I'm gonna add one or two more contracts up there on the top, and then my take profits will be somewhere down here on the below when it comes for that retracement. So what I'm chasing now is the retracement. I do not think the reason why I'm going short is because I do not think that going long would have been a good thing to do, but going long already with this price action, that's quite a lot of points. And if you are gonna go long, I don't know if it's gonna do much. If it's gonna go up much more than it has already done up much. Given that today is Monday, right? So so there are nuances to this, and it is based on that I'm taking this short trade, and I'm also being cautious. I'm not going in with a lot of contracts. I'm being cautious. I'm going with just with a few contracts, because this is still strength. This is still strength. There's still a lot of strength in this chart, as you can see. Uh, so that is the reasoning behind this trade. So I'm gonna hold this trade and see what happens. My target is right here. This is my target. This low here. But if it keeps on going up again, I'm gonna add more contracts. For now, this is like I'm just starting this position right here, and I'm gonna be holding for some time now. So let's go. So this week should be an interesting week. Even next week, I believe, February 2nd, should also be an interesting week in terms of the news, the economic calendar. The week following that, we have a week starting on February 2nd. We have ISM manufacturing PMI, JOTS job opening, ADP non-farm employment change, unemployment claims. So non-farm employment. So there's quite a lot of stuff going on next week. But this week also should be an interesting one, especially watching the CPI, the FOMC going on. So we'll wait and see what happens. So again, like I said, it might still go up, and if it goes up, that's fine. I can still add more contracts, but I'm being very cautious. I feel like what's going to happen here? There's going to have to be a retracement before a continuation of this trend. This is bullish, no doubt. So what I want to catch is, I want to catch that retracement. That's what I want to catch, right? So even if it's a tiny retracement, my take profit would be somewhere down here, this low here, which would be about 20, 25 or 26 points, which I'm happy to take. Even lower than that, honestly, or even a little bit slightly lower than that. Shorts. I'm gonna add in more. I'm gonna add in one or two more contracts. This is unbelievable. Almost 100 points on a Monday, on a single Monday. This is gonna be a waiting game. We'll just wait and see. So I could still add in more contracts here, but I'm gonna hold off for now. few minutes before it starts going down, if it ever goes down. But again, there's a possibility that it's just gonna keep on going up. In which case, again, I'm just gonna grab one more contract, or one or two more contracts, as the case might be. See. There we go. So this is what I'm looking for. Again, it's kind of beginning to happen here. Let's see how far this goes. I want to see this come down here to this level, which will give me about 24 points profit. So about 24 points of profit or thereabouts. But this might take time to happen. It might even happen end of the day when the market close. Again, I'm okay with that because this is like a swing trade for me. I'm okay to hold this for the day, end of the day, and then tomorrow, and add more contracts where the opportunity arises, because there's no way I'm gonna be going long. There's going long on this is, yeah, it's like a recipe for if it's for day trading, yeah, but I mean for swing trading it makes no sense to go short. I choose to kind of swing trade this because day trading this the risk. I'm not liking the risk, so I don't want to take that risk. again, just wait. Patience is the name of the game. We'll have to wait, and we'll add more where necessary. We'll add more contracts if you have to. Too. Yeah, this is one. Very interesting day indeed. Yeah, very interesting day. Still going up. Yeah, I'm thinking if I should add more here, one more contract there. So I need to add one contract, so I'm gonna add probably one more. Yeah, it is very, very, very interesting price action. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for now. There's no need adding more contracts. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna hold off for now. I'm gonna hold off for now. I want to see. Let me see more price history. Yeah, it's interesting. interesting. This is a very, very interesting price action. Yeah, it's still going up. So I'm gonna be adding more shorts. I'm gonna be adding more shorts. But I'm waiting here to see how we do more. The reason why I'm not going long instead of going short is because I feel more comfortable going long than going short. Sorry, I feel more comfortable going short than going long, just because you have all this massive upswing here. Well, again, the intention is to hold this for this to be a swing. For this the intention here is that this is a swing trade. I'm gonna do it like that though. It's gonna still be a swing. Accept that this would keep on going the way it is going, but this is a very, very significant climb. This is a very, very significant climb. typically with this uptrend, there has to be a retracement. Now, it may not happen today, but it could happen tomorrow, and that is why I was thinking of swinging this. In that case, trying to catch that. Bring this out here like this. So I feel like adding more there. I want to add more, but. So the maximum I could possibly add is 3 contracts. I just want to be cautious and very careful. So you want to see, my target is this down here, but if I see this, I might just take out one. If I have 2 contracts, I might just take out 1 contract. Just let the other one ride. But let's see. Okay, I'm gonna add one more. Just wait for the close of the minute there. Needless to say that I'm actually looking at a couple of charts here. I'm looking at different time frames. The 1 hour time frame, which is what I'm looking at here, and the 15-minute time frame on my desktop. So this is looking good. Though I would want to add. Okay, I'm gonna add one more. So I have 2 contracts now. I can add a third one. So the first one I'm going to take out somewhere around 61.8 if it gets there. The second one I'm going to take out here. That may not happen today. Actually, if that happened, no, sorry, I meant here, not. What am I even doing? This is way, okay, it should be there. But I should have a second one here. This is what it should be. So I meant to say that the first one, so the first one, first profit, take profit would be here. No, first take profit would be this. The second one would be here if that happens today. So now it's all a waiting game now. It's all wait and see what happens, right? So where's the first take profit? The first take profit is Okay, still going up. All right, no problem. Again, it just make trades, so wait. Yeah, this is gonna be a long ass trade. But again, this is there, so we'll wait for this trade to play out. Though if it was a day trade, if it was a long trade, we wouldn't have to wait this long for profits. In a sense, we are counter trading, but doing that for this particular scenario, to see this sort of I began to think I should take off one position here just because this is just way too close to each other, and in the case that because this is looking like it could continue, might continue for at least until late afternoon. In that case, I want to be able to add my short back because I'm not trying to marry my short position, but I'm trying to at least thinking that what might be like like going long here, it doesn't feel comfortable for me to do that. I don't feel comfortable going long, and that's the reason why I'm going short. Just because going long, there's been so much range already. So okay, I'm keeping to my thesis. It hasn't changed. Probably won't change. I will still add more contracts, just down, to kind of average down. And this is probably the only time I have to do this. I never normally do this. But again, there are reasons for doing this. probably put in some take profits here. So it's gonna be a long hold. I had that idea in mind. I'm thinking I should put a stop take profit target there, just because usually with red price action, it may go ahead and hit it without you even knowing that. So that's what I'm thinking. If I should put it, so you see, this is the reason why I don't want to be holding going long. This is precisely the reason why I have more confidence. I have more faith going short than going long. Because if I held long, I would like to hold for some time, but that would not be a good idea. I don't think that would be a good idea. So far, price is coming down. I want to see this go down to 61.8. That's what I think it might be. And the other one, I might probably hit 28. So 61.8, 14. Okay, I'm just gonna hold it. Just hold for now and see what happens. Just watch. Right, just watch. Hold and watch. Again, it's just gonna be a swing. It's gonna be a swing, but we're gonna be holding this. No problem. I feel like I should put in that. I think I'm gonna do that. 61.8. 61.8 is just about 6.9. So which one would that be? Take profit 6.937. So 6.937. Let's see if that hits. It may not hit, but let's just watch and see. At least I can take out just one contract there. That's about 14 points. I can take out one contract there and then kind of go from there. I'm thinking I may even, honestly, I may even take out the two contracts. But I like to see one get into 78.2, 78.6. I may take it out. I'm thinking about it instead of just holding it. I was thinking it would be a swing trade, but I may just take it out. And the reason because even if this comes down today, the whole trend is still up. This is still bullish. The whole trend is still bullish, right? So yeah, so far I love what I'm seeing. I really love what I'm seeing right now. Hoping that it would continue what it's doing, right? Okay. All right. So still wait. Still hold this and wait. Needless to say, even if you look at the 15 minutes chart on the 15 minutes chart, this is pretty much weakness. It shows weakness, just a temporary weakness. But on the 1 hour chart, this is all strength. There's no doubt about that. And what I'm only trying to do is trying to catch this reversal here. Is what I think what I'm trying to do, just to catch the reversal. That's what I'm trying to do. But on the 15 minutes also, it's pretty weak. And on the 1 hour, before I can go long, I like to see a significant reversal of this whole entire action. If I don't see that, then yeah, I wouldn't be comfortable going long. But we'll still wait. Yeah, this is meant to be sort of a long term, hold that possibly would be probably again till tomorrow at least. So this is still going up, but I would not want to be trading this on the long side, and there's a reason why I'm on the short side. The only issue I have with this trade is that my 2 and 3 are kind of close to each other, right? And it's tempting for me to, want to close one of them and see if I can add that short back so that, they will be much, much better. But it's tempting to do that, though I don't want to do that. I could do that. I really could do that, but I don't want to be caught up in the trading scheme. So the thing I see is that probably this will probably make a new high. That's what it looks like. Make a new high there. Possibly will continue going up. Not possibly, it will continue going up. Yeah, this is not. Again, this is the reason why I don't want to get in on the long. I don't like this movement for the long side, but on the short side, I don't mind it. It looks okay to me. just take out one contract here if it comes down to break even, and yeah, it's fine, totally fine. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that. Yeah, this is not like, I mean, if I was long on this trade, I would not be happy with the way this price is moving like this. I would not be happy at all. I would not. Thinking of taking out one contract and leaving one out, and then waiting for it to get back up again to get into the short. But I don't think that is necessary, because I could leave this the way it is, and when it gets back up again, maybe around noon time, 1 p.m. or 2 p.m., I could, if it's still on this high, I could get in, a couple of more shots there instead of taking out, trying, it's gonna be messy. I don't want to do that, so I'm just gonna hold this and see what happens. But also notice how price kind of stuck there. It's not going up the way it normally would go up. It's just like taking its time. If you look at the 15 minutes chart, you see what I'm talking about. You can see how slow it is climbing up there. Even the 5 minutes chart, you can see how ugly it is, right? So this is the reason, this is what we're talking about. That's the reason why I'm on the short trade, not on the long trade, right? So good for the short trade to just end. That's so simple. I mean, look at all this stuff. Look at all these things. Look at the range. pays off, it pays off. Then the waiting is fine. We'll wait. Um, Hoping to make some withdrawals if this passes positive today. Hoping to make some withdrawals from this account. Another house monitors to kind of bring it down. That way, Something with this is that typically when it starts falling down, it falls down really fast. That's one thing with with red days or red actions. Again, I'm holding this, giving it time to breathe. Giving it time to breathe. All right, this is 12 o'clock. Yeah, this is 12 o'clock, and this is so far what we have on this chat. Um, Now, if I was bullish on this, I would definitely not be still holding this. I think I would be thinking about leaving this. It could still do whatever it wants to do, but in that case, I would still be looking for a short. So I'm gonna be holding this till the late afternoon, or market close, or late evening. It's it's gonna be a trade, swing trade for me on this one. It wasn't meant to be, anyways. Well, actually, it's meant to be, but it's gonna be a swing trade for me on this one. It's gonna be a swing trade. I'm gonna add more, but I'm gonna add more. But I'm gonna wait for. Uh, yeah, this is crazy. But it's a beautiful price action, though. I mean, if you're long, it's quite beautiful. Though, like, I have my reasons for not going long, and those reasons are still valid. So, all right, wait. So this is moving higher. It's a beautiful long trade for for day trading. But again, I'm going to hold on to this as a short trade, and I'll possibly add more as time goes on. So looking at it now, I believe probably should have been on the long side of this. But the thing still remains that this range is a massive range. It's a massive range, and it's on the high end. It's really on the high end, right? So that's the reason why I'm not comfortable going long. Before I can go long, there's still a strength, a position of strength. But before I can go long on this, I need to see some significant retracement before I can go ahead and go long. That might be a Thursday, maybe Tuesday, maybe Wednesday. I'm not sure. I may not even take a trade on Tuesday. Well, I could take a trade on Tuesday. Well, Wednesday morning, I have to stay away from Wednesday morning.